Hi. I'm Shipad from BizSmashers and I'm a meta marketing specialist here. Also, I do AI lead jet power and automation systems. So, I will walk you through who we are at BizSmashers and what we offer and how exactly we can help your roofing business grow a consistent and high quality list. So, at BizSmashers, we help service-based business, especially local trades like roofing, also like your businesses. So get more jobs through smart meta ads and AI-powered automation. So our goal is simple: bring you more jobs, and our goal is nothing complicated. This is simple, and this is also goal-oriented. Our main goal is bring you more roofing inquiries, more booked expectations, and more high-value projects to you. So what we noticed about your business, because we already have an audit and we already take a look on your socials or in your website. So at BizSmashers, we have the service-based business, especially in open press like roofing. So what we notice that you have already a strong foundation, but there's a big opportunity to expand your local visibility and reach homeowners. Also convert more people who need roofing repairs, installations, also expectation. But here's the one thing I will love to say, that your website is not that much optimized. You need to optimize your more professionally. You need to showcase your service more beautifully, and your website should be more customer friendly. Then you need to add more and more services. You need to add about you, add all in one roster short your he design your website, and you need a very good copywriting here. So customer, when a customer jump into your website through our ads, so they feel comfortable and they feel, oh yeah, this is for me. So finally you have to notice this work. So what we will do for you. So in our paid marketing, so we offer you a targeted meta ads for roofing leads. So we will run highly targeted meta ads designed specifically for roofing business, focused on homeowners in your service areas. Also, our campaign attract people like Emily Baby, so who are looking for roof repairs, roof replacements, storm damage expectations, new roof installations, and this means you will get real high intent leads and not random visitors. So meta ads, spending dollars in ads is not just spending dollars on marketing. This is an investment for your business, also for your next positioning, how you want to stand your business and how we want to show your business to your customers, how we build your business. So this is the most important investment in marketing for business. So let's dive into the next. The next is lead capture and a CRM setup. So when we run ads, all incoming leads from our ads, also website forms, also messages, will go directly into a CRM that we will set up for you. And this gives everything organized, like name, location, contact, job type, or what they are looking for. When we run build that, we and it's a bunch of questions which not just really necessary for your customers, or they put their thoughts in out what they did basically. So everything in one place. And the next is AI follow up and automation. So when a lead come to you through Facebook ads, you need to call you're this, hey Jack, um I'm Jordan, so I'm looking for roof replacements or other things. You to call you, so let's book a call or let's schedule maybe you to talk with your customer like manually. But what we set up for you, there is automation system. So repeat lists go quite fast, and so we used to add automation that instantly send messages and make follow-up calls, quality lists, ask job specific questions, and schedule up their appointments. So this ensures you never miss a single roofing job even if you are busy on site. So with this system in place, you will see that more homeowners inquiries, more book expectations, are stronger local business, so a consistent flow of moving is so faster conversations because of AI follow-ups, and also more high ticket opportunities without extra manual work. So in 2026 we have to move very smartly. It not going to like you have to do everything in manually music. It's more smart here. So we are also need to be smart, right? So that's the full overview of how we will support your roofing business from edge to automation conversation. If this aligned with your goals, I'd be happy to walk you through the next step and get everything set up. Thanks for watching and excited to help you to grow. And it is saying spending dollar on ads. This is not the fact. You should just send your money in a proper marketing strategy that's really work for you and that's really help you to stack your branding position to your course. So have a great day. This is Shifan from BizSmashers. See you soon in a meeting. Goodbye.